Wali ebulaya embeera eyongedde okubeera nga ate esajjuka era nga oba olina omuntu we naye nanga ali mu ggwanga ali abazungu oba mu nsi z'abazungu beera nga tomuteeka mu ssala kubanga embeera erabika nga ekutte wansi waggulu. Munange oluvannyuma lw'omugwira okuva mu ggwanga ly'e Somalia omusajja muddugavu yakwate kubona beera nga ate agende eyo mu ggwanga ly'e Ireland era nga recently wano ndowooza yabadde wiiki ng'emu yafunyemuko obutakkaanya ndowooza n'omuzungu era akyazekako kubeera nga ate amukuba obunnyo era teyakomye kubeera nga ate amukuba kubeera nga ate amugirayo n'ebiso n'atandika okubeera nga ate amufumite n'abantu nga bali kubeera nga ate bakwata videos. Munange ebintu bikutte wansi ne waggulu era nga abazungu mu ggwanga ly'e Ireland sako n'ensi ez'enjawulo bataddewo embeera nga bagamba nti abaddugavu bonna bonna balina okubeera nga ate baddayo mu nsi zaabwe era nga mu ggwanga ly'e Ireland esasageno we yagudde batandise okubeera nga ate munange bayigga buli muddugavu waali buli kasonda kaalimu era nga abantu bali mu kutya bali ku embassy ez'enjawulo badduse dda mayumba gaabwe abamu babasubiza dda n'abaana era ng'embeera ekutte wansi ne waggulu. Waliwo n'Abanayuganda abagambye okubeera nga ate bafiiridde mu njege eno abawerera ddala basatu. Njagala kubeera nga tekuterawo obutambi oyongera okubeera nga ate olaba naawe ebiki ebiri mu kubeera nga tebigenda mu maaso saidi zeeyo ate nga ne wano ewaffe ku mulirwano mu ggwanga ly'e South Africa nayo embeera ekutte wansi ne waggulu. Abayo bannansi bagamba nti buli mugwira yenna abeere nga ate akwata ekkubo abeere nga temunange addayo mu nsi zaabwe era nga abakulu omuli Lukinseka Half London n'abalala bangi gyo bali mu kutya olw'ensonga nti ate Kampala tebasobola kubeera nga tebaddayo kwegamba embeera nayo ekutte wansi ne waggulu. Bino bina ngenda kubeera nga tebikuterawo mutambi awo tongera okubeera nga tetumanya biki ebiri mu kubeera nga te bigenda mu maaso saidi zeeyo wansi awo genda obeera nga te otuwa endowooza yo video terako ekika likinga sharingirako abala kuboxako akutegeeza kagenda kubeera open whenever ngenda kyewalagada okubeera nga twogerako ojja kubeera obeera nga te osula endowooza shaka shamtomadwa waliyo okubeera nga takusotinga gwe wena alina ebiganya okubeera nga tebiterera mwekwate ajja kukola kwesa amaanyi ageddwa ku namba ez'essimu ezitawansa ku stickers buli kimu trust me kijja kubeera nga tekutambulira bulungi nnyo malidali sana katusimbule naki ekiriwo e Bulaaya kadde kano timbaawo.
Belfast summertime. Oh, he's got a flat tire from the front of his bike.
Attention, attention, this is a police warning. Disperse immediately or water cannon will be used.
Put him back here.
I only got 3 things from the house, and the only thing I did not get from the house were the letters my children wrote for me, because that is all I have from my children. The letters that they wrote for me 3 years back when I was leaving them back home. I think that is the only thing I didn't get. I only got my passport, my laptop, and my uniform, because I have to go to work.
Can I really be able to stay here? Will I be safe because of what happened and the whole experience? So just know I'm scared.
So if you stay in Belfast today and you have my call-up, please stay at home. No matter what you do, no matter your profession, no matter how much you think you are law-abiding or how good you think you are, it doesn't matter at this time. Businesses close at 11 and protest starts by 1 p.m. today. I don't know why I got the strength to go to work. I went, but of course had to return before 11. Nothing is going on as usual. I was having this difficult conversation with my child. I was asking, what does a protest mean? So I said people are gathering to express their grievances and that something unfair is happening. It's a way to say that's unfair. And I had to explain that I don't belong here, so somebody else who doesn't belong here did something terrible in town, and the people who belong here are gathering to express their grievances, to say that they don't want anyone who doesn't belong here. Of course, we don't belong here, so times will come when we'll be faced with having to explain to our children. It's very difficult. And then he understood it and said, okay, that's why all the people who don't belong here have to stay indoors, and that's why he's not in school. Again, I do hope things settle fast. I hope we are able to get back to work, get back to our life soon. Of course, my heart goes out to the family of the victim. But again, majority of us are not bad people. We don't support violence, and we hope the law takes its place, and we hope the people would at some point allow the law to take its place, because I mean, lawfulness upholds any nation. Lawlessness is a poison to any nation. Stay safe, stay at home, and it is well.
I'm afraid maybe I might be the next to be attacked on the street. So I don't know where to take my family, my children, who is 9 years old, who is asking me every question that crosses his mind, and I don't know how to answer him. I don't know, maybe I'm the next. I was not able to take my son to school because I don't know how, if we'll be able to reach the school. So we are locked in the house with my wife and my 3 children.
I saw, particularly in these 2 streets, just violence upon violence. I think I could use the word anarchy. It took us back certainly to times in the Troubles.
I'll never get over that feeling, mate. Never get over that feeling. I was actually standing right there watching my whole house just go up slowly but surely. and that was it. There's literally nothing I could have done about it. I told them and all when they were lighting the car on fire, that's my property where our car is, and they still didn't care.
Belfast is burning because of racist thuggery, they call it. Irelanders they're just racist. It's racism. They just don't like Africans. It's xenophobia. It's program. Why would they do this to other people? See, not so long ago, there was a peaceful protest in Ballymena. Well, when you saw the news, you saw, oh no, it's violent protest. But before that, the people, because there were two Romanian boys that had attempted to violate a teenage girl. The locals had been complaining about the harassment of women, illegal dumping of rubbish everywhere. It's filthy. They've been complaining and also about the selling of illegal substances. This is why Nigel Farage, when he asks, who is the priority? Is it the British-born people or people that can't integrate into a community and say, okay, I'm a guest here, I'm gonna act accordingly? No. You just have to do whatever you were doing back there, because, like, can you be civilized if you move into someone's home? Can you act like a human being? See, if you remember, Jeremiah 29 verse 7 says, and seek the peace of the city where I have caused you to be carried away into exile, and pray for the Lord, because if it prospers, you prosper as well. Proverbs 25:17 says, seldom set foot in your neighbor's house, because he will start to hate you. See, when people marched to demonstrate against that. When they got to around, they say, Clonovan Terrace, police stopped them, and then it started. That's why people had to put signs on their windows that say, locals leave here, because it's absolute madness that you can't. Bro, Chief Constable John Butcher said it's racism thuggery. But he said recently, he said that at the time with the Ballymena protest, but they say racist riots. Like, how is it racism when you, as an African, you go to seek asylum with no women, no children, like, there's no women, no children, but when you get there, much as McTinnan and the guy who was helping Stephen Oglivi, they had to yank him off him. They had to yank him. He had to use a hurling stick. Bro, even lions, you've seen the people, the Maasai, they just approach lions and lions move away. You can't even be told to stop. And it was by chance, because he had to go get petrol, and they took a shortcut, and there's a car on the curtain and it's blocking the streets. And now, when people react, they're gaslit and called racist and called xenophobic and called pillagers. How long do people have to say there's something wrong with this? Because it's now anti-migrant, immigrant sentiment. But you see now, it's going to spill over to people who come there legally. Because this guy claimed asylum on the same day he arrived, but fraudulently arrived. What did Prime Minister Keir Starmer say then? A long time ago, he said, taxpayers who are paying for these people to live in this hotel as asylum seekers, he said he wants those hotels emptied. Are they empty as we speak? Probably not. And then people wonder why, when Michelle O'Neill, the MP, she said she calls for calm. Can you as a guest, as an immigrant. Act like a guest. I don't know, integrate into the community. Be a part of the community. Don't just... Because this is why we can't have nice things. Now, when other people try to go there, you're looked at in the same light as people who have done these things. And then when people try to say something like the government should hear out the locals. No, locals are treated like they don't have functioning brains. Like, no, you see, you are the problem. No, just hear them out. Stop calling people like barbarians and racists and all these things. If you can't do that to a child or another human being, why should you be there, bro? You should leave. Go home, because this is not something that is supposed to be happening in a civilized community.
Oh, it's got a flat tire from the front of the bike.
Attention, attention, this is a police warning. Disperse immediately or water cannon will be used.
Abalungi abatuwuliriza era abatulaba olunaku olwaleero tukyaddeko ewa Sheikh Asiraf Dembe.
Ssebo nsanyusa okubalaba. Amannya agange nze Sheikh Asiraf Dembe akola ku bizibu by'enjawulo. Omuntu singa aba alina ebirwadde musomereddwa tumuwa amazzi ga lukuya nga bw'obadde ogalaba. Tugenda abantu ku kyoto ne twokya emizimu emibi egibabaamu n'okulomba edduwa. Abantu singa abeera ng'ali wano atuuse sobola okumulombera edduwa, ne waba atatuuse nga mpadde amannya ge naye ng'ali wala. Neetaase enamba yange yeeno eri 0707363711. Nammwe bannyinaffe abali ebweru oyagala okuba nti oyagala okulombera ku dduwa ng'olina ebizibu, viza zibuze, amaka gakolongotana, sente zikola zimpita mu ngalo, ojja kumpeereza ekifaananyi kyo n'amannya go, ebyo byokka bijja kummala. Nja kukulombera edduwa, ojja kutereera. Olunaku olusembayo mu mwezi mba n'edduwa ey'awamu ffenna n'abalwadde bange abakadde n'abapya. Salaamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.